Thanks for joining this video. In this video, we will deploy a Go based app, which is a visitor counter app, which has a backend MySQL database, and we will create a Helm chart, and we will create another version of Helm chart, and then we will push to GitHub Container Registry, and after that, by using Helm commands, we will apply this chart on a Kubernetes cluster, which is installed on my system. This is a kind Kubernetes cluster I am running. So let's get started. On my system, these are the chart file. So I will open this visitor counter chart.yaml file. I will change that release from 0.2.0 to 0.3. And here you can see there is one dependency of this chart, this visitor counter app, which is MySQL database. So I have updated that chart version. So then I will use Helm package, then my charts. Here we can see a new version released with the TGZ. Then I will push. So I already log into that container registry of GitHub by using my username shabab-kakkad and then GHCR token. Now I will use Helm push and then a newer version of chart, which I just released. So Helm push will push to GitHub Container Registry. Yes, so chart is pushed there. So we can refresh this page. See that newer version updated. So we will try to pull this newer version of chart. So we are able to pull this chart. Now we will try to install newer version. So first we will check on the Kubernetes cluster, is there any resource running? There is no Helm chart applied and I'm in default namespace. So I will use 0.3.0 version. Helm install command, and let me check that installed version applied. So here we can see that my app under default namespace. So status is deployed and chart version you can see that. We'll see resource within the Kubernetes cluster, one MySQL stateful set, and then we have 2 pod deployed, and application visit -counter is listening on 30,000 port, a node port. We will access from here. So here we can see that 30,000 port. So the application is working fine. Now I will uninstall this chart. Helm and then name of the chart. As we can see that application is removed. Now the page is not accessible. All Kubernetes resource is gone. Only one resource is pending, that is PVC, persistent volume claim, related to the database. By using kubectl delete command PVC, so this one is also deleted. So that's it.